Welcome to Follow My Voice, Meditation Edition. Today we're going to take a deep dive and tackle anxiety. Let's go ahead and try to reduce your anxiety and kind of share some tips, some wisdom once you're relaxed on what to do about anxiety so it stops bothering you. And I help you for next time. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with a breathing exercise where we're going to breathe in for 5, hold it for 5, exhale for 5, preferably with a shh. Gotta do it sound. Hold it for 5, then breathe normally. We'll do 3 rounds of that. Afterwards, you should be a little more relaxed. And I'll go ahead and begin by telling you a few stories to guide you through the meditation, share some tips for anxiety control while you're in a meditative state, as that will help your mind absorb the wisdom so that you can solve your own anxiety problems going forward. So before you close your eyes and make yourself comfortable, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification icon. That way you're ready for any of the meditations that I'm going to be dropping in the future to help you tackle problems such as lack of productivity or procrastination. They're all that and more is coming up soon. All right, so go ahead and make yourself comfortable. We're going to go ahead and start by closing our eyes. So go ahead and close your eyes now. And what we're going to do is we're going to start, remember the 5-5-5-5 box breathing. So let's go ahead and start with an inhale, starting now, 5 seconds. Breathe. 4, 5. Hold it. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Hold it. Good. Breathe normally. Should start feeling the beginning sensations of relaxation. And know got some anxiety. It's keeping you from there. But you should have felt a little better. We're going to go ahead and take another breathing that'll take us even deeper. Keep your eyes closed. Keep following my voice. Listen to the instructions. Good. All right. Box breathing again. Breathe in. Ready? Start. In 5 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold it. 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Hold it. Breathe normally. Good. Feel yourself starting to become more relaxed as the feeling of relaxation now begins to overtake the feelings of anxiety. Let's go ahead and do our last box breathing. Ready? I know you are. Breathe in now. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold it. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Hold it. Breathe normally. Good. Now that you're much more relaxed, I'm going to share some tips for reducing anxiety that I just want to guide you through. You've heard them before. Perhaps they're new. But now that you're relaxed, you'll absorb them in a way you have not before. Now, first tip, When you have a lot of anxiety, remember exercise is extremely important. There are lots of options to reduce anxiety. But medical studies show that exercise is still one of the cheapest and most effective ways to do it. Those that exercise are less likely to develop anxiety disorders. Exercise itself has been favorably compared to anti-anxiety medications. When you exercise, know that your body releases natural chemicals in your brain that improve mood. These chemicals, powerful, sometimes more powerful than those expensive medications. Exercise helps calm your heart, which helps improve anxiety, reduces excess stress, which helps reduce anxiety. Many benefits to exercise. Just make sure you're exercising regularly. Remember, short daily walk can go a long way. But sometimes sharing is better than holding back. Many people experience anxiety when they will get embarrassed about their anxiety. But you are not like that. You will not get embarrassed. It's okay. It's okay to retreat into your own mind. It's okay to feel what you feel when you're anxious. There's nothing bad about it. It's good. Good. Everyone feels it. Remember, most people do not judge those that have anxiety. You're just judging yourself. Others aren't judging you. Most people that do judge, because there are some, those aren't people that you want in your life anyway. So think of someone that has judged you for your anxiety. Unfortunately, sometimes it can be a family member. Sometimes it can be a quote-unquote friend. But you need to stay away from those people. Withdrawing and becoming isolated can have a very negative effect on your mental health, so you must make sure you also have positive people around you. People pick up on anxiety and body language. You can't hide it as easily as you want to. I understand. Chances are if you withdraw because of your anxiety, other people are going to notice. This doesn't mean you need to share something with a boss or a stranger that you're anxious. You don't have to do anything you don't want to do. But don't be afraid to talk about it if you need to. You have very little to lose, and talking about it is just what you need to reduce the severity of anxiety. Remember, stress coping isn't about activities. It's important to also remember you'll find countless tips for how to cope with anxiety, like yoga and this meditation. And these help your brain begin to adjust. Doing yoga, doing meditation, it helps your brain adjust to a better long-term effect. Focusing on your breathing, doing meditations like this one, follow this one, have long-term benefits. They reduce anxiety, make you healthier. Remember, healthy distractions are helpful. When you have anxiety, do you ever feel like you want to be alone? That's a normal feeling. But being lost in these thoughts creates more anxiety. Your thoughts, maybe causing your anxiety and preventing positivity if you dwell on them for too long. While some time alone is helpful, ideally, try to plan your entire schedule from morning to night. Plan fun activities, healthy distractions, listening to music, playing games, sports, personal distractions that make you happy. They're not going to stop your anxiety, but they will lower it. lowering anxiety. Would you feel better if your anxiety was a little lower? Turning your tasks into competitions so that when you complete them, it can help with your anxiety. Plan activities with coworkers or friends, classmates. Being around positive people is a great way. But another thing you can do is write out positive thoughts, journaling. Anxiety has a way of disappearing when you begin writing about it and start writing about positive thoughts. Journaling is such an effective way. Studies have shown the brain is smart enough to realize when you write positive things, your brain will absorb it. It's the reason that experts believe people have less fact knowledge, more emotional knowledge. The brain remembers the emotions, and by writing things down, you can help, especially writing positive things, you can help your brain adjust to positive emotions. Something as simple as drinking more water can also help with stress. How much water have you drank today? You drank enough water today? Drinking more water will really help with dehydration. Water is a great way of recharging your body, making you feel better. Can't talk enough about how important it is to be around positive people. A lot of times anxiety is caused by being around too many negative people. We're humans, we're social creatures. And we adopt emotions. We absorb the emotions of those around us and make sure you're around positive people. Friends are important, but they gotta be positive friends. But when your friends are not around, you can always listen to music, watch a movie, and anything else that relaxes you. When you wake up tomorrow, no matter what time you're listening to this today, let's implant a thought tomorrow about taking action and doing something as soon as you wake up. And that action will make you feel less anxious and you'll feel more positive. Sometimes it's as simple as making your bed, doing the dishes, little gardening, reading, or doing a meditation like this one. Following meditations is a great way to start your day. Anxiety will grow if it's not directed into a positive action, which is why I'm telling you to take positive action. What positive action can you take right now, later today, tonight, tomorrow morning, and tomorrow that will help you overcome your anxiety? An example would be that positive gratitude journal I just mentioned, because writing down gratitude is a great way of expressing your courage and making yourself more positive. By being more positive, less anxious. Avoid the TV, avoid the news, avoid anything negative. The world will continue to revolve if you don't watch the news. Do not watch any news. Avoid social media. Stop comparing yourself. Get off the Instagram. Stick to things that are positive. If you go on Facebook or Instagram or any social media and you've compared yourself to one other person, they have more money, better relationship, nicer kids, it doesn't matter what it is. If you compared yourself to anyone this week, it's got to go. It's got to go. The world will continue to revolve. Don't feed it. That negativity is causing anxiety. Stay positive. Focus on listening to positive programming where you're not comparing yourself to others, where you're happy. Courage is not the absence of fear, but taking action in spite of fear. Now that you're relaxed, listen. Courage is not the absence of fear, but taking action in spite of fear. doing something new or confronting a fear by taking a baby step is much more positive than doing nothing. If you needed a better reason to pick an action, there it is, right now. Those are thoughts. What came up with those thoughts for you? What did you picture? What are you picturing now? Those thoughts are a reflection of what's going on inside. And it's okay. Good or bad, it doesn't matter. You're alive. That's what matters. You can be less anxious. Be positive. Anxiety is an emotion, but we can shake that emotion and shift it into positivity, into gratitude, into helping others. What have you done to help someone today? Who have you helped? If it's no one, we've got a big problem right there. Who are you going to help right now? Pick up a phone, send a text. Do something for someone. Buy someone some coffee. Pay for someone's lunch. Do something. What can you do to give back today, right now, before you go to bed? Taking that positive action will lower anxiety. I'm going to count down now, starting in 5. 5. And as I go down, you're going to start coming back to me now. Start following my voice, coming back to me. 4. Starting to get a little more awake. 3. Starting to feel your left and right hands, left and right feet. That's right. Feel it. 2. Okay, slowly start opening those eyes. Come on. Slowly, only as fast and as able as you're ready to. 1. Whoa, there you go. Wake up. Bam. Bam. Wide awake. Full of energy. Ready to take on some positive actions. What? I don't even remember the word. What were we here for? We're here to take some positive actions. Was it gratitude? Meditation? Yep, that's right. You want to take out anxiety? Ooh, don't say that. It's not you anymore. Let go of that word. Take some positive action. And see what... I shared a lot of tips. Which ones do you remember? Those are the ones your subconscious is ready for. Which ones do you not remember? Maybe tomorrow, later today, you got to redo this meditation, and you'll always gain something different out of it. Like right now, what was the one image comes to your mind now? See that? That's what you got out of this. But it could be something different later today, tomorrow. It's powerful to do these meditations more than once. You always get 1% better each time you do it. And getting 1% better every day makes a world of difference. You know what would also make a world of difference? Going in and hitting that like and subscribe button. Sure would fill my day with a little more than 1% of positive energy. Really appreciate it. If you don't want to start your gratitude with me, there is another button you can click on. I accept it. But you want to start with a positive good deed, but you still have to do one more. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button now. And I want you to think about, what are you going to do now? What's that positive action you're going to take before you go to sleep? And that positive action, just keep doing it over and over again, multiple times a day. It will help reduce anxiety. Thanks for following my voice.